Hey, good morning, almost noontime to y'all. Today I figured I'd give you the entire Tennessee 68 experience. I'm just going to let the camera run all the way to Tellico Plains. You know it's going to be a good video when you get to follow a log truck. Nothing better. Of course, the dogs that are always in the road here, they live over there. A good rider would have passed there. An experienced rider would pass right here. But then you won't get the full Tennessee effect of what it's like to actually ride Tennessee 68. We're so blessed that the state of Tennessee got rid of all the passing zones. There are two between here and Tellico Plains. Two between here and Tellico Plains. There used to be 8 or 9 that I can think of. And if you're wondering, yes, it smells terrible of brake dust right now. So we're coming up to the first of 2 passing zones, and we will use it. I don't know what this Lexus is going to do, but I'm definitely going to get around both of them no matter what. The Lexus driver's got to be borderline idiot. 1 for buying a Lexus and 2 for not using the passing zone. If he doesn't use the next passing zone, he's following that log truck for 10 miles. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and if you like the video and you want to see more, North Georgia, Tennessee, North Carolina, hit the subscribe button. It's June, so there's going to be a lot of videos of these same roads, these same 3 roads that I always ride. Today we're doing it on a Honda VFR. I'm only running up to Tellico Plains to get a pizza though. That's all. I'm gonna meet Ryan, drop off some electronics, have lunch, and then run back to the house. Truckers, if you're watching, this is not a shortcut to anywhere unless you're delivering to Dollar Generals. This might not be your best route. I cannot wait until this new helmet is broken in. It's only been on my head a half hour. It's already hurting. My next new helmet is a Rye. I got to mount a camera on it, camera and hard system. And I tried it on, it was snug also. Ooh, Honda. You meet the nicest people on a Honda. What in the world? That's the second truck. If those people that are following the log truck are lucky, that log